Never before has there been greater need to determine how to infuse much needed trust in our public health system and to combat misinformation. So addressing challenges as complex as global pandemics requires collective action and cooperation at every level. At BU, we've been asking the question of how we can adequately prepare for future pandemics through the 3 pillars of our institution, through research, education, and also service. However, the pandemic really made it abundantly clear that basic science alone is not going to prepare us for future pandemics. As a result, BU has made other strategic investments to ensure that we're not just advancing our work in the basic sciences, but also growing our capabilities in new directions. So a major example of that was the launch of CEID in 2021 with Professor Nahid Bhadelia as its founding director. And as Tracy alluded to, the center's primary purpose is to marry technical expertise in emerging infectious diseases with policy research and to provide recommendations for governments, communities, and academic institutions to help them prepare for pandemics at local, national, and global levels. So at BU, we're really committed to carrying the lessons of the last 4 years forward to ensure that we're prepared for the next global health crisis. The COVID pandemic really emphasized the need for collaborative research efforts, and we're really fortunate to work at a university and also in a region that's defined by innovation and collaboration. I think mostly at BU across many different disciplines, but also in Boston across different academic institutions, and also a lot of collaboration with industry and government.